Dear friends, today I am going to discuss some questions of general knowledge. Question number 1. Question number 1 is, what is the chemical symbol for gold? Option A, Go. Option B, Au. Option C, Ag. Option D, Gd. The answer will be option B, Au. Next question. The question is, question number 2, which planet is known as the red planet? Option A, Earth. Option B, Mars. Option C, Venus. Option D, Jupiter. The answer will be option B, Mars. Next question. Question number 3. What is the powerhouse of the cell? Option A, nucleus. Option B, ribosome. Option C, mitochondria. Option D, endoplasmic reticulum. The answer will be option C, mitochondria. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.